Okay, let's introduce the horse running LED strip light remote, the master control, and the sub-control. LED strip connected to the sub-controller. All LED strip will be working at the same time. Okay, let's try. Power on. Please note, all LED strips have to connect to the power. This is two remote control, such as you can install one in the entrance. You turn on the light, and when you will be asleep, you can turn off the light. Turn on the light. Press two twice. 1, 2. Okay. You can see the two green wire. It's used to connect the normal switch. Put together. Turn on. Off. On. Off. And also you can turn on by the remote. So it's very convenient. Thank you.